in the property is a concealed dishwasher just to the right of the sink. To open up the door, just pull in the middle. This will open up the machine. You then are free to fill up the drawers with your plates and cutlery. When you come to using the dishwasher, we provide dishwasher tablets which are located just underneath the sink. So you just take one of these, like so, and put it into this compartment here, then shut the drawer, and then to turn on the dishwasher you have a power button here. To press this, you'll hear it click, and then on the right hand side you'll see it's illuminated. Push the program button once, this will activate Eco 50, and then all you need to do is shut the door of the dishwasher and it will start. And that's how to use the dishwasher.